are here at the Detroit Zoo, and I'm here with...
Matt with MEI Construction.
Hey, Matt, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm doing all right. How's your day at the zoo been so far?
Oh, good. We just got here. Just getting going.
Okay, are you going to try the scavenger hunt, the Miss Dig scavenger hunt?
Yeah, we're going to look into it, and yeah, we might try that out.
That should be awesome. Now, does your construction company use Miss Dig 811?
Yeah, we do all the time.
And do you think it keeps you all safe?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
How does calling Miss Dig or contacting Miss Dig keep you safe?
Well, they mark out all the utilities, the main utilities, and we work around them quite often, so knowing where they are is a big help.
That is awesome. And how do you contact Miss Dig 811?
We do it online.
That is awesome. Thank you so much. You have a great day.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Safety is in your hands. Every dig, every time.